Alright. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Wow. Instantly. Alright, let's go for a drive. Better ease up. I almost hit 15 miles an hour there. All right. Well, it's at least partially in the shade. I gotta use two hands. Hang on. Alright, there you go. Alright, the old ignition was hacked with a screwdriver, so I couldn't turn it at all. This piece is fine. This piece I got chewed up a little bit trying to remove it, but they boogered up the threads. If I can find a tap for it, I can probably clean it up, but I'm going to see if I can find another one. Put that in here. But new ignition switch. Started first try, I didn't even pump it. Damn thing runs so nice. We'll take care of her.